Hello, it's me. I'm back again. I apologize for the noise. It's really hot in here, so I'm running a fan. I will do my best to speak over it. Another package in the mail. Of course, as always, I've blanked out my address and whatever. Looks like this one here's already been opened. No, nope, it's still sealed. It's still sealed. We're okay. All right. Fancy dancy medical grade letter opener here. Crocodile Dundee and Rambo would be proud of that one. That ought to be good enough. Bubble wrap. Oh, I know what that is. Let's get that out here. Well, that ray of sun is just messing up my areas. Yeah, stupid sun. There we go. At the beginning of the summer, we made plans to go off to a Harry Potter festival. But I couldn't get that weekend off. But I ordered me Deathly Hallows there. Of course, folks that have watched the movies know what that is right there. There we go. And as coincidence would have it, I have right next to me the wand that I made for myself for the Harry Potter thing that I didn't get to go to. Pretty cool. It's pine. Y'all don't care. Well, anyway, that's what I got in the mail today. Deathly Hallows there. We're gonna... Well, it doesn't have a clasp, so I guess it just goes on over the head. There we go. Fits beautifully. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Woo, action shot.